We don't belong to nobody, and now we're free to be ourselves.
So, Serena's here. She's come to pick me up because I was stranded.
Yeah, that bowling ball busted his car up. Turns
Busted
out.
up real good.
Knocked in the transmission.
Yeah, so now everything's leaking. So that's not good. But I went to Ross.
Haul.
And I got a Ross haul.
Oh my god! Pee-pees!
Pee-pees! Oh my god, look, it's
Look at the
pee-pees.
pee. I love pee-pees.
I love pee-pees. Oh my god, that's sweet.
I love them.
We need to get that.
We're on our way to the mall and we're really excited about it because I'm going to get something to strap my titties down.
Yeah.
Iron Bright.
A brazier. Alright, well, we'll check in
Yeah,
later.
we'll check in, pee-pees.
Bye! Alright, so we're on our way to Riverside. First time ever. Very exciting.
I've been to Riverside a lot of times.
Oh.
Riverside, Austin. Not Riverside, California.
But yeah, Serena's picking us up. We're going to see La Ganja once again for the 50 billionth time. Really fun.
It's always a pleasure.
Let me see these earrings.
Take a look at my ferocious ears.
Amazing.
Look how they sting.
They're so good.
Swat.
He won't take a shot of whipped cream.
Alright, whipped cream!
No, you have to leave it on the table.
I can't do that! Somebody tried to infect him in this place. It's disgusting.
Talk dirty to me.
You gonna pump my gas, baby?
Come on, JP! Work!
I'll look.
Woo! We crammed back here.
He told me he was gonna get me gas. I get Supreme.
So. Oh, whoops, my bad. So basically, we've exploited JP for some gas. Pretty much. Hey!
Oh, thank you.
Why don't I get to get stuff at Jack in the Box?
I don't want
I do.
Oh, it looks so good in the distance.
Wait!
A certain time you can go in. Oh, it's locked.
We have to do a drive-through.
Can we do a walkthrough?
We can try.
Hi.
Everyone stand on the crack, and then I'll count 3, jump. 1,
2,
3,
3.
jump.
Did it work? We made it back to LA with 0 lights.
I had to get behind a car to use their lights.
But we're alive. Look at these cuties.